Welcome back to Skyward Strength. Today, we'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to perform pull-ups with perfect form. This classic upper body exercise can be challenging, but with the right technique, you'll be well on your way to mastering it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our amazing content. Let's get started. Proper setup. Before you begin, it's crucial to find a sturdy pull-up bar that can support your weight. Make sure the bar is at a height that allows you to hang with your arms fully extended, and your feet off the ground. Grip the bar with your palms facing away from your body, overhand grip. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. This grip targets your lats, biceps, and upper back muscles. As you progress, you can experiment with other grip styles like chin-ups, palms facing you, and neutral grips, palms facing each other, to target different muscle groups. Body position. Start by hanging from the bar with your arms fully extended. Engage your core and slightly retract your shoulder blades to stabilize your shoulders. Keep your legs straight or bend your knees, crossing your ankles behind you. This is your starting position. The pull-up. Now, it's time for the actual pull-up. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, engage your lats and pull your elbows down towards your hips. Keep your chest up and your core engaged throughout the movement. Continue to pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. The lowering phase. After reaching the top of the pull-up, pause for a brief moment. Then, slowly lower yourself back down to the starting position while maintaining control and keeping your shoulder blades engaged. This controlled lowering phase is just as important as the pull-up itself, as it helps build strength and muscle control. Now just repeat and progress. Congratulations, you've just completed a pull-up. Now, aim to perform multiple repetitions and sets, gradually increasing the volume as you become stronger. To further challenge yourself, you can try weighted pull-ups, incorporate different grip styles, or perform more advanced variations like L-sit pull-ups or muscle-ups. And that's it. Follow these steps to perfect your pull-up form, and you'll be well on your way to a stronger, more muscular upper body. Remember, consistency and practice are key to mastering this challenging exercise. We'd love to hear about your pull-up progress, so share your experiences in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing fitness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.